Our planet is in a state of flux, temperatures are rising, weather patterns are shifting, and the consequences are being felt worldwide. This phenomenon, known as climate change, is one of the most pressing challenges facing humanity. At its heart lies global warming, the gradual increase in Earth's average surface temperature. The Earth's climate has always fluctuated, but what we are witnessing today is different. The rate of warming is unprecedented, and the primary driver is human activity. It is imperative that we understand the science behind climate change and the urgency with which we must act. The consequences of inaction are dire. Rising sea levels threaten coastal communities. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent, and ecosystems are struggling to adapt. The time to act is now. The primary culprit behind global warming is the increase in greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. These gases, including carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, trap heat from the sun, preventing it from escaping back into space. Human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels for energy, are the main source of these greenhouse gas emissions. When we burn coal, oil, and gas, we release carbon dioxide and other harmful pollutants into the atmosphere, exacerbating the greenhouse effect. The consequences of this warming are far-reaching. Glaciers and ice caps are melting at an alarming rate, contributing to rising sea levels. Extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires, are becoming more frequent and intense. Amid these challenges, there is hope. Transitioning to renewable energy sources is crucial in mitigating climate change. Solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal energy offer clean and sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels. Renewable energy sources harness the power of nature, converting sunlight, wind, water, and Earth's heat into usable energy. Unlike fossil fuels, they produce little to no greenhouse gas emissions, making them essential in our fight against climate change. The benefits of renewable energy extend beyond environmental protection. They create jobs, reduce our reliance on finite fossil fuels, and promote energy independence. Section 4. Technology to the rescue. Innovations for a sustainable tomorrow. In addition to renewable energy, technological advancements offer innovative solutions to combat climate change. Carbon capture and storage technologies capture carbon dioxide emissions from power plants and industrial processes, preventing them from entering the atmosphere. Artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly important role in recycling, optimizing waste management systems, and developing new, sustainable materials. From smart grids that manage energy consumption to precision agriculture that reduces waste, technology is paving the way for a more sustainable future. These technological advancements, combined with our transition to renewable energy, offer promising solutions to the climate crisis. Section 5. Every action counts. Reducing our carbon footprint. While it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the scale of the challenge, it's important to remember that every action counts. We can all make a difference by reducing our carbon footprint. Simple changes to our daily habits can have a significant impact. Using energy-efficient appliances, reducing our reliance on cars, and adopting a more sustainable diet are all steps in the right direction. Supporting businesses and organizations committed to sustainability is crucial. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can collectively drive a transition towards a greener and more sustainable future. Section 6. Conclusion. A call to action for a sustainable future. The challenges posed by climate change are undeniable, but so is the power of collective action. It is incumbent upon us, as inhabitants of this planet, to act as stewards of our environment. Every individual has a role to play in this global effort. By embracing renewable energy, supporting sustainable technologies, and making responsible choices in our daily lives, we can create a brighter future for generations to come. Let us not be remembered as the generation that stood idly by as our planet warmed. Let us be known as the generation that rose to the challenge, embraced innovation, and forged a path towards a sustainable and equitable future for all.